Did you know you could get great engraving results on a diode laser? Well, you can, and I've made a couple of videos about it. I'm going to show you how to engrave this rock glass on the WeCreat Lumos because it's a small portable machine, and this is something that you can take to a craft show, and it's honestly kind of cool. So let's get this glass prepped and ready to go so I can show you how it's done. We have our whiskey glass here, and we are going to engrave this on the WeCreat Lumos. Honestly, engraving glass on these smaller diode lasers is super easy. You just have to make sure you put some kind of coating on your glass for the laser beam to actually see it. We are going to use my favorite secret weapon, and it's just this chalk marker. You want to clean your glass first, and then you just take this marker. Obviously, you can use tempera paint, spray chalk paint, marking spray, literally whatever you want. The key is you want no streaks. Ideally, you want to go in like, one direction, because anywhere you don't have the glass covered, you're potentially not going to have an engraving there. And that looks great. So we're just gonna let that dry for a second. And then I'm gonna put my little 3D printed jig here. This is made specifically to fit inside the Xtool F1. It's a little bit too small for the WeCreat Lumos, but it should still work fine. All right, so we need to get these two dots to overlap. I'm gonna just do it manually. We're here in the Make It software by WeCreat. And so this is the image I'm gonna engrave. I know it's a little crazy, but I think it's gonna work. Now, these are settings I have not tested yet, and I figured that we could go through this together. So this is power 100, speed 50, and 140 lines per centimeter. So let's frame this out. I think it's gonna be too big. Yep, way too big. And then I wanna center this up. And we can hit this center button here, and then I can kind of move this around to where I need it to be. Okay, I think we can make it slightly larger. We can center it up. Honestly, that looks pretty good to me. And we are using the blue light. Now we can hit start because we like where that lives. And it's going to take 17 minutes. So let's send it off, and then we can hit the button. Now I have the lid up only for filming purposes. Make sure you keep it down. All right, well, I can honestly say this came out looking pretty awesome. It's easier to see right now with the paint on it, but so let's remove the paint so we can see what it looks like. But honestly, that looks like a nice frosted engraving. My favorite way to clean these up is to just use a crocodile cloth, but you can honestly just use water to clean this up as well. That is the beauty of the chalk marker. And that looks freaking awesome, honestly. I am very happy with how that looks. It's hard to tell. It's always hard to get a good angle of the engraved glass. Let me see if I can put something in there to make it show up better. So that looks really great. I'm honestly really happy with that. Now I can definitely dial in these settings a little bit more, but there you go. It's super easy to engrave glass on these small diode lasers. Well guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it helped. Let me know if you have any questions down below. I have a bunch of other laser videos about running a small business and all that fun stuff. So make sure you check those out. I'll have all the links in the description down below. And don't forget, you can save $50 off of this laser using my code CHIPBUILDS. So I'll catch you guys on the next one. See ya.